Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I'm going to show you how to fix JavaScript error in your Windows PC. And here I get this error message while I try to access the Skype application. So anyway, if you like to overcome this issue, just follow me friends. So first of all, force close the Skype application. And then open your Windows Run and execute this command percentage local app data percentage. So here you can locate the folder name called packages and click to open it, and it shows lots of folders. So I try to locate Microsoft.Skype app, and this is that folder. So just click to delete it and close all the windows. So next you can open your Windows settings and select apps category, and it shows my all installed apps, but here you can locate that Skype application and click on advanced options. So now I try to reset the Skype app, and this process is completed. So just close all the windows. So next you can install the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++, and here I am using the Windows 64-bit operating system. So I select the third one. So after the downloading process is completed, now I try to access the setup file and click to accept the terms and conditions, and it starts to installing, so be patient. So after the installation is completed and it asks for the restart process, so just do it. So finally this restarting process is completed, and one more time I try to access that Skype app, because I check it if the stick works or not, and complete the sign in processes. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.